I've been tested, I've been torn, walked through trials I couldn't ignore. But through the fire, I felt His hand, guiding me to rise and stand. They tried to break me, said I'd fall, but I'm still here. I've heard the call. Every challenge, every fight led me closer to the light. I'm coming back stronger, lifted by grace. With His love I found my place. Through every trial He's carried me through. Now I'm made whole, His promise is true. Felt the weight, I've paid the cost, faced the battles, felt the loss.